welcome back to G Mama's World. Tonight I'm coming to you with a seafood ball. Y'all see that good? I got some sausage, some corn, some potatoes, some mussels. You see that shrimps down there and eggs. And it's soaking in that BLove sauce. I didn't make my own sauce. I had some of hers still in the freezer. So we're going to pray and we're going to get started. Okay? How you all doing today? Hope y'all guys are doing good on this Monday. After that long, well, it wasn't a long vacation, but the 4-day vacation from Thanksgiving. It's hot. Y'all see it smoking? That sauce is still hot. But I know you guys didn't want to go back to work today. I did on 4 days off. I got this fork, y'all, because this stuff is hot. It's hot. I should have put the mussels on top. Y'all see that on that egg? Look at that. I don't know if I said potatoes, but I got some potatoes. They not no grade bigger. They did little bit of potatoes. It's hot. The potato just got out the fire too. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. The longer this sits, y'all, the more them spices get together. They get together and be kicking on you. I've been having it in the freezer. So all I have to do is I put them in mason jars. So all I have to do is just warm it up. So all I have to do, take it out and put it in the microwave and warm it up. It's a good idea. So I don't have to make it every time I get ready to do a seafood boil. But I'm running low. I like to make hers and mine. You all need to comment down below. Give me some more sauces. I'll make them. I got a bunch of seasoning. I bought all them seasoning from Sam. So I make them. My soda was floating on the top. It was trying to escape, y'all. Trying to escape. Put this corn over here. Let this smoke come on out of here, cause my mussels is down here and all this juice and this sauce. I mean, all this sauce and it's hot. Yep, yep, yep. Did y'all get some good sales from that Black Friday and Cyber Friday? Oh, yes, y'all, that heat kicking in. Heat from the sauce. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. That, ooh, look at all them. Y'all see all that goodness? See? If I didn't have this fork, see, it would have been down off in there. Look at all that goodness, y'all. These shrimps are already peeled. They ready to eat. Mmm. I hope y'all enjoyed that video I put out here when I went to Texas Roadhouse. My son-in-law birthday. Yeah, that was a meal. Them kids won't leave me alone. They waste water on me. A whole glass of water. It was cold outside and I was just wet. I was wet. Ooh, y'all. Look at this. Ooh, this stuff is hot. I don't need to eat that because that corn is hot. I just got it out that boiling water. Yeah, that corn hot. Oh, y'all. I'm fumbling. Hey, just coming loose. Busting loose. Ooh, Lord. It's up. Hold on, y'all. It went everywhere. Oh, Lord, don't tell me I sat down here without enough paper towel. All of my glasses, it went everywhere, y'all. I already can't see. They sitting up there doing that seafood blindfold, honey. All I do is take my glasses off. And then I can really can't see nothing. I want my corn, but it's hot. Y'all, look what I got today. Let me show you. So y'all can look forward to this. See what I got today, y'all? So y'all can look forward to this. I got another one. They got some out there. It's called Healthy Snacks. Healthy. Healthy Snacks. But if you get that Yum Yum box, the Yum Yum box is just like they Hefty. Lord, I can't even say Hefty. It ain't no Hefty. Health. Hefty. Hefty. Lord, I can't even say Hefty. But anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. The one snacks is good for you. But it's just like them Yum Yum box. That sauce is still hot. Ooh. And potato. Hefty. Oh, I almost said it. But anyway, the good snacks for you. We got that Yum Yum box. Got all them green peas and seaweed, all that meat. Oh, this one here didn't have that in it. It fell out somewhere. Ooh, y'all, look at all that seasoning. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Y'all. Gee, mama getting with it. I got a little more lobster. I ain't got no lobster in here, Lord. But mussels. One more egg. Them potatoes. Oh, y'all, I'm slipping. Oh, Lord. I always sit down and I always miss something. I'm gonna have to be. Oh, Lord, I'm gonna have to wash this sweater. There's all this stuff on it. Ooh-wee. These things are so good. Lord, ain't my phone charging up? They said low battery. I hope it didn't. Ooh, that was empty. I hope it didn't cut off nothing. I mean, have it black right there. I'm almost done anyway. It just looked like a lot because all my stuff was sitting on top of these mussels. Little piece of sausage. Oh, yum, y'all. One potato. Look like 3 shrimps. I'm gonna eat my egg. I got 1 potato, y'all. And look like 3 shrimp. Yep, 1 potato and 3 shrimp. 4 shrimp. Gee, Mama getting full. I eat all them potatoes and them mussels and sausage. Y'all. Oh, Lord. I've been gone all day and didn't have a chance to charge up my phone. But anyway, y'all see what G Mama did. Y'all see it. I got 4 shrimp and 1 potato. So from where I started, that's it. But I want you all to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. Comment down below. Let G Mama know what you think about this video. Subscribe to my channel. And tell each and every one you come across about G Mama's World. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when G Mama drop a new video. Okay? And I want y'all to be safe and be careful out there. On your way to work, on your way to school, whether you're going to the gym or wherever you're going. Be safe. Okay? If ain't nobody told you today, this week that they love you, please believe me that G Mama do. Jesus do. Okay? Y'all have a good night and a sweet dream. I'm full, y'all. And G Mama's gonna be out of here, okay? Peace.